Good morning. Adam, nauna pa man ka diha? Where's Tita? Where's Benjamin? Ben! Ah, Dina, makagawas dahil ka diha, ha? I have to fix that. Where's Benjamin? Oh! You know, they're out. Dina, come here, Dina. Dina, Benjamin! And Adam, hurry up. Your foot is not healed and you still... Adam, you should stay here. Look at you. Look at you running with 3 legs. Good foot, Adam. Benjamin! Why are you out? Come here. How did you get out? Ben? You come back, Ben. I need to find out where you get out so that I can fix that. Adam.